The Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Talks about nigga Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators. Don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't want to trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, will take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle. Can't stand you. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's crypto and crypto. Don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought.
Oh, man, I was just thinking about this song. Wall Street Beats Sick Dough in crypto. If you want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto, August 7th, we are 1 week into the new month, 2023. Lots to talk about. I have a video back about Biconomy, talking about 45 cents. There's probably some people going, it's not going there. What are you talking about? We have to talk more about that. Been on vacation. Lots to talk about and catch up on. So if you'd like to catch up on some of the morning Bitcoin news, we come live to you almost every day talking about this crypto space. Then we do a little bit of technical analysis. Obviously, none of it is financial advice. This is Gentleman Twice as Nice. And if you thought I was a financial advisor, you're wrong. I'm just a gentleman who likes to wear the visor. So let's get all that correct and out of the way this morning. And Anthony, what's up? How are you doing? I hope you're having a wonderful morning. And anyone else who is watching, I hope you're having a wonderful Monday. Come on, Monday. Nice long vacation, waking up every morning next to the beach. It's Monday, and I'm over here. How do you think I'm feeling this morning? Yeah, can I get a second cup of coffee? This is fucking terrible. Oh, I'm live. Hey, guys, I forgot I was live. Just kidding. So hit that like and subscribe. We're very corny. Let's get to 1.5K subscribers, please. We're trying to get all the way to 1.5K. Right now, hit that little like button. It'd be very important. Mr. Hydro, Mr. Sam Walker in the house. Let's get it. We just need to hit the like button. You're not going to miss nothing important, but become 1.5K subscribers. We're almost there. Lots to talk about. So we're going to get into it right now. Crypto bubble. I'd just like to see what is happening for the month. Obviously, it's August. So we're looking. Shiba Inu. We woke up this morning. It was pumping overnight. It actually deleted a zero. Yes, that did happen. It wasn't much of a deal. Maker. I heard there's a lot of interest in Maker going on. So a couple assets right there, as you can see. Almost 50% for XLM, XDC 115, and RLB at 102. So I wanted to talk about a couple things. The last video that we've been around on, right? And like I said, hit the like and subscribe. We talked about Biconomy. I wanted to show you the steps. I believe there's a 21-cent fall that could happen, but we did get a double dip, double bottom here. And I wanted you to see this. This could be a nice pickup. And this is what happened last time we got the bullish divergence for this asset. We got this kind of thing here. It took some time. As you can see, we did get the lift off. We're looking to see if we can get that replicated, do that again, get a nice pickup as we did here. But there could be some momentum to the downside here as we retest one more time, coming in until we ultimately peak out. So pay attention to what's going on. This is Biconomy, the Web3 layer. We talked about it in our last video. Some people got excited and probably saw that we were all the way up to 31 cents almost. And they were like, wait a minute, he said 45. We're at 23. This guy's an asshole. Goodbye. I don't want people to feel that way. I want people to feel like they were misled. I hope you understand that there is ways to get there, and we still have to complete this pattern, ABC-like correction, falling wedge-like, and it does continue to prove that boring sideways action, double bottom patterns here. We need to come down a little bit more. As you can see, could be 21 cents enter, and then I will find myself either exiting out here at the 27, 28, getting another double bottom, could enter here and then a pop-up. So that's what we're paying attention to. The Biconomy, obviously Bitcoin influences all of that. So I wanted people to understand 45 cents here is a strong resistance level all the way back from October of 2022. So don't get lost there. That is very important, about 45 cents. Major resistance. So if you do magically get to that point and you're buying down here, well, you should be a very happy person. Don't get greedy. Unless this is a long-term hold, then I understand what you're doing. Shiba Inu, a little different overnight as we were going in in, paying attention to what could happen here. What I think could be the ultimate sell-off would be around the 1800. Not financial advice, like we say, but very important. Pay attention to it. Once we peak off, and we start trucking away here, we'd have to break above that 13 level there. Don't have it here, but you can see 1182 has been resistance over and over. This is Shiba Inu. If you're interested, once we break that, we'll find 13 something and have to break above, and I think that's where this gap here would finish just about, and then I'll be selling off at the 18. So this is just for some people who are interested in what's been going on with a dollar cost averaging in. You can see creating new lower lows constantly, and then finally all the way from June 8th of this year, June 8th, we created the lower low for this and tested it right about here from all the way of, September 21. So we're talking about 3 years ago. So we're testing 3 years ago of a low, right? Can we talk about what happened after that? We started getting spikes, some heating up signals, right? You can see, as you can see here coming in, September 14th, what was the beginning of the low? That was the 10th. 4 days later, we got another signal up. And then as you can see here, when did we ultimately get the trigger? Well, it was October of 2021, so September, October. So if this is what's happening, be excited here. We could be getting really excited for a big fall coming in still. We got a test. And what's happening? Well, we're heating up. It's getting into October. And I do believe that October for Shiba Inu and some other assets are going to be very, very thriving, very profitable if you can get into the dollar cost average method. So let's get into a few other assets now. I'm kind of excited. I've been talking about some things. MicroStrategy, right? If you saw what MicroStrategy has been doing from the beginning of the year, or 2020, so to speak, with the Bitcoin strategy, this is insane, right? It's only 3 years, right? It happened fast since we're wearing masks and talking about all this craziness. But the value of MicroStrategy stock has outperformed most asset classes since the company adopted it in August of 2020. Now we're going to show the charts and we're going to show proof. The returns have merged despite the firm's revenues dwindling in 2022, right? So we're going to go over there and check that out. Just to be precise, and let's get into it, right? Look at that. MicroStrategy outperformed everything since the adoption of 2020. We have MicroStrategy's MSTR to be very abbreviation here, and then you got Bitcoin 145, S&P 500 37, Nasdaq 31, and then you get all the way to the big tech stocks. We'll talk about some other ones, Microsoft, Meta, Netflix, Amazon. As you can see, they're down. They're not doing well. Get into the enterprise software stocks. You can see here, right? CRM, IBM, things like that. We're just going to keep it very quick and simple, but you can obviously get the hint, right? We see what's going on. So it's obviously starting to work. Bitcoin is up this year, obviously outperforming everything else. So that's kind of a little bit of a signal. So please take the moment to hit the like and subscribe. We give you some pretty cool things, big things to talk about, right? When comparing Cardano now, dev activity to Ethereum, the dedication of Charles Hoskinson, the team shines through. And you can see here through the GitHub repository boasts 3 times the development activity that Ethereum has been doing. Well, one of the biggest concerns is, if that is why, why is the price 30 cents? And a lot of people want to know that exact question. But they share similarities, Ethereum and Cardano. We're going to go over a video quickly. In design and use. And the founder of Cardano, Charles Hoskinson, is one of the original developers of Ethereum. Did you know that? Not many people might have known that. So going over that, we're going to go over some technical analysis. I'm going to show you here what he has to say. And let's listen up.
30 cents. Better than 3.
Better than 3.
It's all about money with you people. You just magically believe you get to a certain price point and then everything in life gets great. Everything is incredible. And you ask yourself, what's the point of it? This is an ecosystem that's giving decentralized governance to the masses, a voice back to people, economic agency and identity to people. It's giving people a safe place where they can do business and commerce without fear of censorship and deplatforming. And also honesty.
Honesty, imagine
when
that.
You upload something, what you see is what you get. It's transparent. And you're going to compress that whole thing down to a number because you're in and out, number go up, you get out, and then you think magically your life is going to be great. Would your life be great if you lived in a dictatorship? Would your life be great if at any given time your bank account could be shut down? Would your life be great if you can be fired for your job for having the wrong opinions? You live in constant fear that somebody's going to basically gulag you?
I mean, really, think about that. All that is possible right now, the way we're living, the way times are going. It's pretty scary, but we do have MicroStrategies, right? Talking about buying 750 million more, as you can see. Selling 750 million stock, buying 750 million more. So I just wanted to talk about that. Biconomy, very important. As you can see, Bitcoin, we could talk about this all day, leading the way. Bitcoin looking strong, right? We talked about this rising, ascending channel that has continued to do so. Currently, right now, finding big major support here. So we're either waiting for a dip or another lead to the upside. So this is what Bitcoin's doing. Just giving you a quick update as we're getting ready to go. Wanted some people to see if they wanted to have an asset that they wanted to talk about in the next video. Please let me know. What do you believe is the next crypto asset you would like to get into or hear about on this show? Is there one like that, or is there one that you're getting into that you would like to share, is what I meant to say. So checking us out right now, finding some support at the 29,000 does seem to be rather strong as we keep coming back to this price. So if you're looking at the daily on the chart for Bitcoin, we are continuing to establish a nice support level, but I do not like being stuck in the middle and perhaps even in the higher mid-range for this asset. So always volatile. 28.2, we talk about that very much. That is a very big, important price. As you can see here coming in, our ultimate bottom, we cannot break below the 27.5 at this current time. The more and more we go, though, the more and more we continue to proceed. That 28,300 does look to be the bottom for me. Pretty excited. I'm actually really excited to see this as I break down Bitcoin more and more. And what am I saying here? Well, if you follow where we're leading up for this beautiful ascending channel. Now, let's do this. Let's erase it, right? I don't want the negativity on my chart, even though there's some technical analysis of sort. This 28,300, if you pay attention, it actually has a whole script of what I've been talking about at this peak here. Watch this. Now we'll have 29,800 resistance here, of course, but you can see what's happening. Come back in and we'll get our upward W, ultimately resulting into the resistance of the 31.4. So Bitcoin does have a lot of work to do. It does have volatile waves coming in. But if you do see what's happening, bullish flag, right, even on the daily, looks kind of nice. I would like to see a quick fall here. I would love to see this get rejected, come down, and then buy in this oversold zone as we did in May of 2023. Find that hopefully in October. So this is what we're hoping for. October, do the same thing. I'm going to write this here, even though as many times we may come live until October, right? We're going to come live a bunch of times. We've been live for how long? 13 minutes. This could be a quick video for once. YouTube does not like these long videos. I understand completely. I haven't done videos in a while. I feel like vacation. I'm already off my game, trying to get to where I want to be. There it is. October. October, I'm predicting to be a great month for Bitcoin and the rest of the assets. Now, we're going to go into the Bitcoin dominance, and then after that, I think we're going to head out of the show. But let's pay attention to the Bitcoin dominance, see where we've been. I've not looked at this in a long time, so this is why it's fun to be a show that just comes live with you. Why? Why do we do that? Because, well, we learn with you at the same time. I come back, I follow some of these videos, and I want to learn myself. So here we are. We're rising. You can clearly see the Bitcoin dominance has... Oh, yeah, let's do that. Let's get rid of it. So you can see the Bitcoin dominance has clearly been rising. You can clearly see that, right? If you don't hit the exit button, you could clearly see that. Jeez. All right, here we are. So we're coming back in, and you can see what's happening. Bitcoin is now retracing a little bit. But what did I say to get to a bull run? I said it had to be at 50. My entire career of Bitcoining, videos and everything else with it, I've been telling you and harping that we need to be at the 50 level. So always look forward to your YouTube. Thank you so much. October, that has seemed to be a trend. That has seemed to be a thing. But you got to see here the Bitcoin dominance has to fill back up in this range all the way over to about 60. So once we get there, you're going to see things are rather going to change quickly. So I'm actually excited, waiting to see the resistance level for that and the pump at the same time. We are retracing. What happens last time we got the VWAP? Well, last time we got the VWAP. It happens every time. It seems to be what's going on. Get the WAP, come back to the upside. So Bitcoin dominance, we have actually touched it this year of June of 29th. I did not know that. This is my first time looking at the Bitcoin dominance in rather a long time. So shame on me, but I am happy to say, hey, Bitcoin dominance has now reached to the bull trend, to the bull market of 50, where I like it to be. If you can see here from the last fall, right? Look at that line I have for the Bitcoin dominance. I mean, this is real shit. This is not pretend stuff. Pay attention, guys. Last time we hit the 50, we had not been in 2021. So 2021 was the last time we were trading in this touching or hitting the 50 Bitcoin dominance. This is huge. I didn't know. Let's have a party. Woo! Yeah, let's go. Sicto in crypto. Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. Just made a fool of myself, but guess what? It's actually something to celebrate. So I hope I didn't hurt your ears, but we should be celebrating this. Definitely something to celebrate. I'm excited. Thank you so much for the comments. Let me know what asset you would like Wall Street Beat to break down in the next crypto YouTube video. Hit that like, hit the bell, all notification, become a subscriber today so we do go live. This crazy bastard can offer you some of the stuff that we've researched. And like I said, all of this is research. You can do your own research. Follow some of the greatest. Michael Saylor. Check out some of the good people who YouTube, who have facts, and they show you good stuff. Because I'll tell you right now, there's a lot of junk out there today. And be very careful trading, as you know. This market's very high volatile. You could lose your shirt. You could lose everything in a second. Start playing with shit coins, and you'll find out what I'm talking about. Hope you have a wonderful Monday and have a great week. Take care. Hit that like button, damn it.